everybody. I heard them coming. I got enough time, guys. Man, it's not the best idea to fight Texas laws, you know, this type of stuff, guys. I was upset because my bike rim was toast. I didn't know anything about the laws here in Texas about riding a bicycle and stuff like that, guys. But I was angry. I was just joking around and stuff like that. But she's up and going. She's fixed and stuff like that. I got a new back tire. I went to the bike shop, paid $60 to get her fixed, and she's up and going. So I'm glad. So all right, guys. Welcome back to Union Pacific Railroad Lines, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. And I've been waiting for them to come by in the morning and stuff like that. So I'm glad that they come by. I'm glad they can come by now. So last night they came by, or last couple nights, I filmed them, but the film didn't always set, so it quit filming at the end of the video, so I couldn't send that one. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching Union Pacific Railroad Lines by Marshall itself. Films the Kiamichi Railroad. Thanks for watching Kiamichi Railroad Shorelines and Union Pacific Railroad Lines by me. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. Link, comment, subscribe, and lead off. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. Catch you guys later. Marshall out. Be back here later on. Alright, guys, catch you guys later. Marshall out, like I said.